Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up a login password for your PlayStation account on PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you don't want siblings or other people in your house using your PS4 profile, here is how to set a login password for it. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Login Settings. Now select Login Passcode Management. You can set your login password here. Repeat the password a second time. Your login passcode has now been set. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.